Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this apron removable, and then later I'll show you guys how to make a quick release. So let's get right to it. Alright, got all those drilled out, all the spot welds. I'm using this Blair spot weld remover, works pretty good. I got it's all loose from the body down here. So now up here I gotta get this weld cut and that weld cut. And then there's a few spot welds in here that I need to get as well. Already done this side. It's all free. So let me get these guys done now. Alright, those have all gotten popped out. Cut that. This side's now. So this side's free. Now I'm going to do these ones real quick off camera. Okay, I got all these drilled out. Peel the wings back. Once you get that far, everything should be loose on both sides. Kind of work your way up. There we go. A removable apron. So much easier to work on. Thanks for watching. We're not done quite yet. So instead of putting on the stock apron, since I made it removable, I'm going to use this this late model bulge. It's going to give me a little bit more room for the turbo stuff I want to do. So on the next video, I'll show you how I drill out some holes over here and put in some inserts so we can make this quick release at the track or whenever I need to service anything in the engine compartment. All right guys, now we're really done. Thanks for watching.